Air Marshal Vibhas Pande, Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief Maintenance Command, IAF on Thursday said the Indian industry has the potential and capability to support IAF in its indigenisation program.
Addressing the personnel of 5 base repair depot in Sulur on the outskirts in Coimbatore, Pande emphasized to reach out and engage with Coimbatore District Small Industries Association and private industries. He was in a 3-day visit to the depot from September 28 and was accompanied by Ruchira Pande, President, Air Force Wives Welfare Association Regional AFWWA, and was presented Guard of Honor by the Air Warriors of the depot on his arrival, an official release said here. The Air Marshal visited various repair and overhauling divisions of the depot and reviewed the progress on production of aircraft. He was briefed on various indigenisation efforts undertaken by the depot under Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives to minimize dependency on foreign original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, it said. Ruchira Pande visited various welfare ventures run by AFWWA and addressed all Sanginis of the depot. She appreciated their efforts in maintenance of the AFWWA ventures and enhancing the quality of life at the depot by creating a stress-free environment. She urged the Sanginis to continue the good work towards welfare, empowerment and upliftment of IAF families. The AFWWA's initiative towards extending helping hand to the orphans, senior citizens, poor and needy of the society was also appreciated, the release said.